It's more quieter here than Gyeongbokgung Palace. So there's actually less people here, and this is what I like about the Changdeokdong Palace. Hi! In this video, we'll be going to Changdeokdong Palace. So here's the Changdeokdong Palace, and forgive me for the sounds. I'm using the mic from the camera because I don't know why my mic is not working. Okay, so last time na pumunta ako rito, nagsara na yung palace, so hindi ko siya na-explore. So right now, mas maaga-aga na. It's now 11:45 para at least mas may time ako to explore the palace. Pasok tayo sa loob kung ano meron. So, meron pa dito sa loob. Yan. Pwede ka mag-picture-picture. Yeah, meron pa ditong manhole. And then, you see here, I think we're in the backyard or courtyard here. So, see, it's more quieter here than Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, yun. And syempre, meron kapatid ko mahilig mag-picture. So, kung ako mahilig mag-picture, mas tinalo niya ako. Mas mahilig siya mag-picture kaysa sa akin. Okay, so tatlo nagpa-picture sa amin. Siguro okay kasi yung combination namin pag-apat kami. Maganda sa picture. So, meron pa dito sa loob. Yan. Pwede ka mag-picture-picture. This is what the inside of the palace looks like. There are animals there, in the roof. Hope you can see it. This is somewhere inside the palace pa rin. Dapat magsi-secret garden kami, but 2:30 na daw yung next na available na pwedeng pumasok. So, ang problem kasi nun, pagod na si Papa nun, matutulog na siya. So, hindi na namin yun kaya. Ano daw?
Parang may historical something.
I-explain. Hayaan mo sila mag-explain. So now is October 29. Hindi pa full bloom yung foliage. In-expect ko yellow or orange na. So, hindi pa. So, may mga konting green pa. But it's starting already. Hello! So, another day ngayon. Today is spring here in Korea and sinerte tayo, nakakuha tayo ng ticket for the Secret Garden. Kaya lang Japanese yung nakuha namin. So, pwede na yun. Yun. So, nakapila kami ngayon. Papasok ng garden. Hindi naman ganun kaganda. Pagpatay pa yung mga bulaklak eh. So, ayan yung Secret Garden. Na-disappoint ako. Patay lahat ng bulaklak. Hindi siya garden na garden. Magdala yung mga plants, ganun-ganun lang. Parang hindi worth it yung 5,000 won. Yun lang. And yung hirap ng pagkuha ng ticket. So, yun lang. And hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!